It is no longer feasible to handle all your customers' inquiries manually in this era. I want to take you on a journey where you will see how to use chatbots that will save you time and money. So what do you understand by AI customer support chatbots? These are customer support tools that help businesses respond faster, handle more common questions automatically, and provide 24/7 support. They improve customer experience by giving instant answers, while human agents focus on more complex tasks. So I want to show you the first one, which is Chatbase. You go to chatbase.co and then you sign up and you sign in. Once you sign in, this is where you will land. It is a very simple website, but you have to create an agent that you want to use for customer service. So we will create one together. It has an option of uploading documents for you to be able to train your AI. Like, it will extract the information from PDFs, docs, and TXT files. So you simply drop the file here and then it will learn. Alternatively, you can add plain text-based sources to train your AI agent with precise information. According to these, you are supposed to give it a title and a body. So let's create one. So the title of the bot that I want is Service Inquiry Bot. I've given it a purpose, this, to help clients to understand and book the right service at returntracks.co.ke. And then let's add text to snippets. Then click on Create Agent. So our agent is ready. The status is trained. The model is GPT-4o mini. You can choose how you want it to be. Do you want it to be reserved? Do you want it to be creative? And then system prompt is an AI agent. These are the instructions. So let's go ahead and ask it a question. What can I help you with? Do you move houses in Nairobi? There's our answer. Yes, we offer professional house moving services in Nairobi. If you're looking for this or that. So that is basically the agent that has been created on Chatbase. This one has been trained on returntracks.co.ke. Depending on the type of business that you're running, you will know the needs that you need to feed the agent to do for you. So the advantage of Chatbase is that it's a no-code AI platform that lets businesses rapidly build and deploy chatbots that have been trained on their content. For example, website pages like the one that we've just done. So on your left side, you can see the activity, the chat logs. You can see the leads. You'll be able to see the under analytics. You'll be able to see the topics, the chats that have happened, and then the sources of the information that has trained the chatbot. Is it files? Is it file documents, or is it a text? It also does integrations, like you can see here. So I think it's a very simple one and easy to use. You can check it out. The next tool is called Chatfuel, and their website is panel.chatfuel.com. Once you sign in, this is where you will land. Something that I've noted about this one is it allows you to choose the platform where you want the flow to happen. Is it on Instagram? Is it on WhatsApp? Is it on Facebook? Those are the only ones that it allows. So you have to choose for you to be able to proceed to this page. This is the AI agent that will help you create your first automation in 3 minutes. So you simply paste your website URL here, and it will collect every important thing about your company. You also have an alternative of continuing without the website. So let's proceed. And then the next step is other important information. Share important information that's not on your website, like promotions, product descriptions, or FAQs. Every detail helps me serve your customers better. So you share an important information. We are giving a special 30% discount for first-time clients. You can decide to skip this, but we're not skipping anything. So the next step, share which customer details to save during chats, like contact info, preferences, or specific needs. I'll save this for a more personalized service. Yes, so we will save the client's name, contact information. We'll save their shipping address. Then you click next. So since we filled everything that is required of us, you simply click on Create Automation. Our setup is complete. Let's view our automation right here. So this one is launched. So they are offering to give us a guide that will help us to learn how to connect on other apps step by step here. but for now we will not choose that. So the launchpad is on WhatsApp. There's also Instagram option. And then we have customer support option here. We can click on preview and see how Fuely AI will chat with my clients. So since this is on WhatsApp, I'm being given options to choose. Do I want the chatbot to answer all messages, like all of them, all incoming messages, or messages from ads, or reply to comments from posts, or reply to comments from reels? I can see it also supports live chatting, and you're able to view what the conversation was about right here. So this is under automation with Fuely AI. Then there's an option under calendar. You create bookings in seconds. You send auto reminders on WhatsApp to reduce no-shows. You can be able to see every booking at a glance. I think this is where you'll be able to see your leads or any inquiries that have been made to you about your company. You have to connect a channel to start messaging. You have to connect WhatsApp, you have to connect Instagram, or you have to connect a website or Facebook Messenger. You'll be able to see your contacts here, where they've come from, and then you can be able to segment them by criteria, different criteria, and then you can be able to bring your existing WhatsApp contacts as well. You can also know how to reach them or where they came from. By segmenting the contacts by any criteria, you'll be able to build a targeted contact list that will help you meet their needs in the transport industry. That's in my case. Under settings, you'll be able to see the platforms and the projects, the API, teammates, and the integrations. They've only listed 3 platforms here, but we also have Facebook. If you get an upgraded version, you'll be able to see Facebook Messenger as well. Then under billing, this is where you can choose the plan that works for you. Also, this is where you find the FAQs. And then the third tool that I want to share with you is called Tidio. You simply go to tidio.com to get started. Tidio is a unified customer service support platform that blends live chat, AI-powered chatbots, and automation all together, like you can see here. So it's popular among small to medium sized businesses and e-commerce platforms. Let's see what it has. This is their dashboard, this is their inbox, this is the AI agent, and then these are the workflows. These are the integrations that we've already created. Settings. So your first steps, I'm doing this with you. Set up Lero AI agent. You have to activate this one to answer like 70% of customer questions without human intervention. Then you have to review your welcome message here, and then install a chat widget on your website. So we'll set up this one. The URL for our company is returntracks.co.ke. So you add the knowledge. So basically the AI agent uses the knowledge to be able to answer your client's questions. So we are being asked to install a chat widget that will allow clients to use. Well, the installation is underway. And then right here we have the instructions. Not the instructions, the guides. Installation guides. So when you click chat page, this is what it will look like when you're chatting with the chatbot. Welcome to returntracks.co.ke. Then this is an example. This is just an example. This is not about return tracks. This is about sneakers. So you have to put the company logo here. You have to choose a color depending on based on the widget color, and then your header has to include a welcome message, and then ask us anything. I think that will do. And then the chat URL page. Open chat page. And then the SEO, the meta title is return tracks, and then you can give it a description. And then the meta description is transportation company for freight deliveries, household moves, and consolidated shipping. Then click on save. So once you click save, this is what you're supposed to get. You're supposed to get a bot that does exactly what we have on the right side here. But for us to be able to do that, we have to choose to upgrade to another plan. Okay. Then Tidio allows you to be able to translate into any language. The languages are here. All these languages. That's one of its advantages as well. Then you can connect it to your mailbox, and then Facebook and Instagram and WhatsApp. You can do that. You can integrate it to those platforms. Then you can be able to see your notifications here. You can be able to see if there's a new chat request. You can be able to see a visitor, a new ticket, and ticketing messages, new mentions, all of this. You can be able to see them under notifications. And then operating hours, they're disabled, but I can enable them. I can schedule a time when I'm available to receive new messages, or not even new ones, even the regular ones, so that it will automatically change when I'm online and offline, like the status. It has all these other options here that you can see. And then of course there's a billing option here, depending with the subscription that you're using. Yeah, so other customer service tools and chatbots that you can consider using are Intercom AI. You can consider using Dialogflow, and you can consider using ChatSimple. So, and in general, you can consider checking out all these tools to boost your customer experience in your startups and workplaces.